Hello, fellow teacher candidates and teachers. Today we are going to explore a communication app for the classroom called ClassDojo. On this home page, you can see that there are 4 options down at the bottom for teachers, parents, students, and school leaders. We are going to go into the teachers today. When you enter into the teacher portion of this, it will bring up your class choices. So if you've done this for multiple years, you want to just choose. We're going to go into the demo class just to give it a quick look-see. In the classroom, it'll list all of your students will be listed in here. You also have an option where you can do the whole class, or if you have table groups, you can add table groups. And within these, you can choose a student and give them points throughout the day for working hard, let's say. Give them a point. This creates a little bit of a competitiveness, and then children are going to want to work harder to earn more points. A form of behavior modification, possibly, trying to encourage good behavior. You can also do that as a whole class. If the whole class is working hard, you can give them points for good teamwork, like table points. If you've got groups where one group of kids is working really hard, you can go ahead and give that to their table or to the whole class. Portfolios, you can upload classwork. You can create activities in here and have the kids do things through this application, hopefully encouraging some technological savvy students. In the classroom story, you can keep parents informed of things that are happening in class, share photos and special moments right here, similar to like a Facebook posting. And then the last messages, parents that sign on, you can message all the parents at one time. So a fun, interesting way that you might be able to communicate and keep the communication lines open with your class and their parents.